Starting around 20 September 2023, Cardano generally is exchanging at 25 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.2% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, or so they certainly thought. ADA sort of has an exceptionally complete market cap of $8,838,814,818, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $103,251,995, or so they by and large thought. This in a real sense makes Cardano, ADA, lovely positioning at 7 in the digital currency market amazingly. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023. What will Cardano sort of be especially worth in 2023? For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, is Cardano a kind of wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they generally thought. Will ADA cost especially outperform its unequaled high, which especially is very critical? These are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, showing how these explicitly are our Cardano cost forecasts for ADA's future in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost really is supposed to especially cross a kind of normal value level of 34 cents, the normal certainly least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to by and large be 33 cents. Besides, ADA can sort of arrive at and in every practical sense, greatest value level of 37 cents. Which for the most part is genuinely critical. Cardano value figure August 2023. The really normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could in every practical sense go to 31 cents toward the finish of August 2023, which certainly is genuinely critical. ADA could really be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of 31 cents, with the especially least expected cost of 28 cents, which by and large is genuinely critical. Cardano value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the by and large most extreme cost for Cardano could for the most part stretch around 33 cents in an unpretentious manner. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 sort of is 30 cents with a typical cost of 31 cents, or so they certainly thought. Cardano value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Cardano for the most part is supposed to really be at around a truly least of 31 cents. Or so they certainly thought. Cardano cost can basically arrive at an especially limit of 34 cents, with the fundamentally normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, showing how Cardano value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Cardano basically is supposed to explicitly be at around an especially least of 31 cents, which basically is very critical. Cardano value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Cardano sort of is supposed to for the most part be at around an extremely least of 32 cents, showing how might ADA cost outperform its record-breaking sort of high in a by and large enormous manner. Cardano cost can for the most part arrive at and in every practical sense, limit of 36 cents, with the truly normal cost of 33 cents in United States dollars in a genuinely huge way. Cardano value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the essentially greatest cost for Cardano could especially stretch around 37 cents. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2023 essentially is 33 cents with an in every practical sense normal cost of 34 cents amazingly. Cardano for the most part passed value examination and the exact beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been really diminished by 1.41%. in its sort of current worth. Assuming we generally analyze the especially current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap essentially is likewise down, or so they especially thought. From absolute most recent 7 days, the ADA basically was an awesome vertical pattern and expanded by 1.37%, which is very critical. Cardano has shown areas of strength for commonly of late, and this could be certainly great chance to especially dive right in and contribute, which generally shows that assuming that we by and large look at the sort of current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in a kind of huge manner. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA by and large diminished by 43.822%, taking out an incredible normal amount of 20 cents from its fundamentally current worth, especially further appearance. How, assuming we explicitly look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap generally is likewise down in a truly significant manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a fundamentally decent for the most part purchase, a potential open door for essentially fast venture, showing that moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 explicitly is 30 cents with an essentially normal cost of 31 cents, which really is very huge. The 90 days cost change truly is near 33.72%, and the cost in a real sense coursed from a sort of least kind of typical cost of 37 cents to kind of greatest fundamentally normal cost of 39 cents in the beyond 90 days. So Cardano value estimate August 2023, the really normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could in a real sense go to 31 cents toward the finish of August 2023, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Cardano sort of is somewhere near 6.49%, with the kind of greatest normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around 27 cents, and the essentially least lovely typical cost of for the most part was around 26 cents in beautiful beyond 4 months, in an all things considered huge way. Cardano value conjecture 2023 facts. What will essentially be Cardano especially worth in 2023? Which sort of is very huge. The ADA cost by and large is determined to basically arrive at a truly most extreme degree of 37 cents, with sort of least cost of 33 cents, toward the finish of 2023, which by and large shows that Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023, as per the Cardano figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of 34 cents. The normal pretty least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to really be 33 cents, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Does Cardano generally have a future, which essentially is genuinely huge? As far as value, Cardano sort of has an extraordinary genuinely potential to really arrive at new levels, which most certainly is genuinely huge. It explicitly is estimate that ADA will increment in esteem, which in every practical sense shows that these in a real sense are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, exhibiting how these generally are our Cardano cost forecasts for ADA's future, or so they generally thought. As per in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business experts, Cardano can stir things up around town. The most exorbitant cost of $12.87 till 2030, which explicitly shows that Cardano value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the by and large greatest cost for Cardano could in every way that really matters stretch around 37 cents.